Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Open the Outlook app or Outlook on the web and locate the item you want as a QR. First, pick whether you need a contact card, meeting, or mail link. Once done, select the contact or open the message because the next steps depend on that item type. Make sure you have permission to share the content. This approach saves time by starting with the specific Outlook element you'll convert to a QR code. Now create the actual payload for the QR. If it's a message, use more actions to copy or share the message link. For contacts, export or copy the vCard details so information stays structured. For calendar events, copy the event link or export as ICS. Once you have that link or file content, paste it into a safe intermediate place, like a text file or notes, so you can transfer it to a QR generator. This step ensures the QR encodes the exact, shareable resource you chose. With the link or vCard text copied, open a QR generator and paste the content, selecting the appropriate content type if offered. Once you generate the QR, download a high-resolution PNG or SVG for clarity, then test by scanning with your phone to confirm it opens the Outlook item. Finally, attach or embed the image into an Outlook message or share it where needed. If scanning fails, check link permissions and regenerate using a public sharing option or plain URL so recipients can access it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.